because you know that there's not an election, right? I think you know that I'm running for mayor.
I don't know what I'm choosing, but I am that makes me laugh.
I'm here to ask for your support in the upcoming election. I think it will be a great impact to try something.
I will think about it.
There's something to you know, change your mind.
Sorry, no thanks.
It's your thoughts.
Good morning, Sir Charles. Thank you, sir.
I have a short announcement to you guys. Did you know that the election is fast approaching?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. Kinsa mo votar at this election?
Secret, but I have a tip to you guys. In election, we need to vote wisely. And we need to mangitantag ka ng botaran nga dito mag-platform o maka-ayon sa atong kaugmahon para sa kalambuan sa lungsod sa Mindanao.
Yes, sir.